Right, we're on c64online.com and I'm going to try and play Panther, and it's probably been nearly getting on for 40 years since I've last played this. I used to like it, I used to like the music, I think. Let's go to full screen. Right, I'm playing on keyboard. It's all going to be backward to me. That's fire. Oh well. Right. Can I hit the terrain? Probably. Ooh. Mouse pointer. Right, I've started the game again for some reason. Right. Now we're away. I got taken out in the first one. The series should be called I Used to Be Good at This. Oh, the music was good. Ooh. Ah, people. Right, so we land. Yeah. Survivor rescued. 2, 3. Oh no. Alright, mate. Do they keep coming? We're gonna have to move on. No! Oh, I still got my people in there. Phoenix maneuver complete, whatever that means. Here they come. Can't have been this bad at it back in the day. And music's still good. Oh, I'm sat on a 1080 Ti playing Panther. Badly. Is there people in that one? No. Ah, here we go, survivors. I like that. Games were proper, weren't they? Right, so I'm watching the radar now. They're all on. I don't remember fighting for my life like that. Things used to be easier for me. And I blame it on the lack of a joystick. Feels good though. That music's still really good. Well, I've rescued 15 people. I'm gonna let the kids try this later. Did it just make you smile? Right, I nailed that. It's gonna get a bit tense. Come Can I pick him up? Oh, I'm gonna get blown up. No! I feel bad having to leave him. Come on, get off my planet. Right, oh look, speed it up if you go up high. I'm going to go right above them. Can I go above them? Nope, they're up high now. We're above the ocean. He's got me. I'm drowned as well. Game over. Well, that was as good as I remember. I'd be better if I had a joystick. Thanks to C64online.com for hosting that. I'm going to try another game soon. Thanks for watching.